Hi guys, and welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to be showing and demonstrating how to correctly pack your caravan. Now we're just about to go away for a long holiday away, so the caravan is fully packed and so is the car. So let's start in here and then we'll have a quick look around the car. Starting at the front, we don't actually store anything on the floor at the front. However, there is a drill there, just there, and that will be moved into the car once we have to wind the legs up. Now in our cupboards, we actually have the cupboards loaded up. So we have some glasses in there. And we have some drink and our kettle. That is a cupboard with instruction manuals and bits and pieces. That is a tech cupboard. In this one, we have all our food, and we actually use these bars here. Now these are called cupboard protectors, and they are adjustable. Just twist them and it actually stops everything from falling out. We found these to be really good. Now as you can notice, we actually have our blinds closed. That's just because especially in the summer, it keeps the caravan cool, but also it stops people from prying in. Now looking back towards the kitchen area, in the kitchen cupboard we have our plates held in with some Amazon packaging. We've got all our food and drinking beverages in there. Again, all nicely held back. We're going to make sure that the little button is pushed in so that it can't be moved. Now walking backwards, we have these three cupboards have got cutlery, cleaning equipment, and a few odds and sods in the bottom. We've made sure all the buttons are securely closed. As you can see, we've just got a few bits for our bikes that were just on the side here. These have been moved in just a moment. We've made sure the oven is closed and turned off, and that all the cupboards around it are closed. Just here we have the fridge. We've ensured that the fridge is turned over to 12 volt, and we've actually made sure the fridge is closed and it's not going to come open whilst in transit. Now we store most of our equipment just here, just over the axle, and here we have our coffee machine, our hoover and some drink. Just behind that, in that collapsible box, we have our cycling stuff, a bag with my laptop in it and a few bits, and a camera bag. Now we use these collapsible boxes because they're fantastic. When we're away in the caravan, we can just fold them up and put them in the awning. So easy to do. Now walking back, we have our awning cabinet. Now this goes just in front of the bed, just down there. But obviously it's just up on the bed at the moment, just so we can walk round. All our cupboards are full with clothes. The wardrobe has again clothes in it, and the wardrobes, both of them, are over the axle, which means brilliant weight distribution. Walking into the back, we have in the shower our pump, our awning carpet, a box for the awning, a tyre pump, as we find this gives a brilliant nose weight. However, some of the time, if we're just going away for the weekend and we're not taking the awning or anything, we do store our Aquarolls and our Wastemasters in here. We've made sure that the door of the bathroom is securely held back on its catch just there. Because we have the fixed island bed, if I just lift the bed up, we store under here our 3 Quest Bordeaux Pro chairs. We also have a fan, the TV, and a table, along with the service pitch equipment, as we're going on a service pitch this time, and our collapsed pipes. Now, you might see I've got a bit of a bungee strap thing here. We always found that this table would fling off and go all over the place. So what I've done is I've mocked up a secure system, which I've just hooked around here, and it's hooked into one of the chairs just below, and it stops the table from lifting up and around. Now, because ours is over the axle, we've got a good weight distribution here. and it all fits in here really nicely, doesn't move, and we really find that this is the best place to get it. Now in the car we store our awning, and this particular time we have our camper all season air 390 awning. We have the sides for the awning just at the bottom there. We've got the hitch cover and a few bits of bags for some towing mirrors and bits and pieces. We've got our Alcoa wheel lock and our hitch lock. We also have our Aquaroll. Now in this small space here we'll go the torque. We've got the torque wrench just around there, and in this small space we'll have the nose weight gauge and also the drill. Now for a few final thoughts. So we aim to get our nose weight between 85 and 95 kilograms, and we find this works really well. Now we also find that without any weight in the car actually doesn't perform that well. We find with some weight in the boot of the car, it's much better. So that's how we load our Caravan. Obviously, please click in the link in the top corner, as there'll be a video on how to prepare your Caravan ready for the road, and these videos will go together perfectly. So if you've enjoyed this video, if you have, remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you've got any comments or questions, please tell me in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, take care, bye then, bye.